Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to be unboxing this guy. Alright, so this gimbal came pretty fast. This is the box for it. I mean, there's nothing around it. It's kind of beating up right here on the edges, but that's okay. Alright, so let's just get down to this and open it up. There's not much info on the box. If there was more, I would show you guys, but there isn't. So let's just slide this out. Alright, so as we slide it out, just keep this in focus right here. Here's the box. This came with it. Let's see what's in here. Quick start guide. Okay. Some manuals that one day we'll take a look at them. Startup guide. And warranty. Okay. So 15 days receipt, blah blah blah. Alright. So that's our startup guide. Okay, some things in here. So it's just styrofoam, nothing fancy about this. Let's open it up. And there we go. Okay. This looks pretty good actually. Okay, so we do get this. So we can attach it. Plastic. It's not bad. I mean, got some grip here. Yeah, not bad plastic. Doesn't seem bad at least. Looks okay. So let's put that on the side for now. Got our USB cable. Oh, is this USB-C? Yeah, it's USB-C. Alright. So the other gimbals that I've seen so far, none of them have come with USB-C. So it's good to see that. So let's just do up close so you guys can see that it's actually USB-C, which is a good thing. I mean, it's no big deal, but it's still good. And here we go, what we've been waiting for. So just get this stuff out of the way in order for you guys to see this guy. Alright, so this is the stuff that we get. Alright, so right now in camera you guys can see everything that you guys get for this thing. Alright, so this is a quick unboxing. I will show you guys a quick setup video so you guys can see how this actually works and how to set up with an iPhone. Just as a first glance at this, okay, looks like this is locked in. So I'm gonna have to see how to unlock this and all that stuff. Like I said, as a first glance, this looks bigger than other ones that I've reviewed. So I will show you guys this one compared to, let's see, I got 3 more other brands. So I can put this one beside the other ones so you guys can compare the size. And this looks bigger than the other ones, especially this humongous thing. So a lot more buttons than all the other gimbals that I've seen so far. Yeah, a lot more buttons. So you can see this is for sure where we charge the gimbal. The power button. What else do I see right away? So right off the bat, don't see where I can charge my iPhone from, because this looks just like where we charge the gimbal from, but not your iPhone. Okay, so here's the lock. So that means this unlocks. Oh, that's just to slide it in and out. Oh, and this unlocks just like that. Okay, good to see that. Okay, so that's good. If you guys are gonna carry it around, you want it to lock. Other gimbals that I've seen so far, they don't lock up, so that's a nice feature. I never trust plastic, but that's okay. Right now what I'm looking at is metal, plastic. That's always plastic in any gimbal I've seen, even gimbals where I've seen that this whole thing's metal, but this is plastic as well. So it feels okay. It doesn't feel like the best, but it feels okay. This part feels pretty heavy actually, which is a good thing, okay? What else can I see right away? Right away, you can see I'm gonna put my iPhone there. Then when I'm gonna move it around, there should be some space. Some stuff that people don't look at when they look at gimbals is that they have enough space from here to here. See, if you have a bigger iPhone, iPhone XS Max, for example, that's gonna take up more space. Or an iPhone Plus, it's gonna take up more space than iPhone, regular iPhone. So this will drop down a little bit more. And depending how you guys balance things, it might even drop even more. So if it's too close, it's just not gonna work properly. So you guys have to watch out for that. And here we go, that's the charger. So if you guys want to charge your phone from the gimbal itself, this is from where you would do it. So that's useful. Useful somewhat, right? Because you get the appropriate cable for that. Anyways, right now I can give you guys a few close-ups since this is just a simple unboxing. So you guys can see some close-ups of everything. There's your lock. Where else do I have more locks? I don't have any locks there. I do like this. Looks nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice. This whole thing feels pretty good, gotta say. This whole thing feels pretty good. This not so much. Plastic, I mean, feels okay. It's plastic. Never trust plastic too much. Here we got this. I know this for rotation, whether you want this to be a horizontal. So let me just show you. So you know from other gimbals, this works the same way. So you guys can put this like that to be vertical or horizontal. So usually you guys want your iPhones, there we go, do landscape, horizontal shots when you're using this, not so much vertical. Let me just show you guys up close. So those are all the buttons. That's for tripod. Okay, if you guys want to set that up, again, you guys can set it up with this. So it's nice that it came with this. None of the gimbals that I've reviewed so far have come with this. You have to buy this separately, which is very annoying. So this, even when we're gonna do the setup video later on, it's gonna come in handy because it just stands up and stays like that. So that's pretty nice. And it seemed pretty stable as I did it. So I'm gonna take this out. Other than that, guys, there's not much more to show you for this unboxing. So I'm just gonna do my review after a few months of using it. This is just the first glance unboxing that you guys are seeing right now. I will be doing a setup video next, so if you guys want to see that, just subscribe to my channel, check out my channel. If you guys don't subscribe, don't. That's cool. But for sure watch the setup video so you guys can see exactly how everything works and a quick setup with your iPhone, how to balance this thing, just the whole basic thing. I've seen that most gimbals work all the same way. I do notice right off the bat with this one, see the shape? That means that most likely an iPhone with a case will not fit here properly. So you guys will probably have to take out your iPhone. So always notice these details of gimbals when you're buying one. Those details usually mean that an iPhone cannot fit without a case. With a case, I mean. I have seen other gimbals that this is more of a squarish thing. Therefore, you can actually fit your iPhone with a case on it. So everybody has their iPhones with cases usually. So I'm not really sure why they design things like this. But yes, at the same time, I do see why, because some cases do make the whole iPhone a little bit heavier and so on. So it's harder to balance out and everything. So I kind of get it, but okay. Anyways, that's it for this quick unboxing. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here below in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.